Hello people, we all love things that we can use for multiple things. This is a 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner designed to be used in wet, dry, and blower mode. And now let's have the review about this LIGO cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaner. So first of all, let me introduce you this beautiful box. This box here, you can see it's our beautiful 3-in-1 design of a vacuum cleaner that can do the vacuum on wet, dry, and can be used as a blower. You know, one of the key features of this beautiful thing is that it's cordless. LIGO fault of everything because the battery is very powerful. It's 4.0 amperes and it has foam filters. It comes with a charger, 2 extra batteries for you, and we have to highlight that this is an upgraded model and you can use for various tasks such as cleaning up spills, sawdust or leaves, or you can use it anywhere because it's portable. Imagine, using it on your car or projects. You can take it anywhere you want. I consider myself a very organized person, so seeing this box that you can place the batteries and keep them while you're not using, and you can place the tools as well on the sides, is just lovely. It's so easy to handle it that even a child can use it without, much problem. It won't get electrified, for example, as it is cordless. So the child, depending on the age, but it can assemble the battery here and he or she can use it in a simple way. When you order your box and it gets to your place at home, you will receive it just like this. I will show you what's included with this vacuum cleaner. First impression I had, it was like, wow, it's so compactable. So it comes in a box, easy to open and close it, and inside you have all the tools you need. So I love that it comes with the vacuum unit, the battery, the filters, the HEPA and the foam, and a charger as well, right? It has a build up like quality. The size capacity is just like enough. It's 2.64 gallon capacity, and as I told you before, it's 3-in-1. The design is excellent because you can use it as a vacuum wet, dry materials, or you can use it as a blower function. Every single thing came well packed, and I can't wait to show you me using it in the 3 functions they have. Before turning it on, it's important to read the instructions that comes in the box, but I have to tell you that's simple. You won't find it difficult because it's very intuitive. Under the place where you put the battery on, you will plug the cord to use your vacuum, and you will listen to it on real time and with real noise. You see how strong this suction is. I'm just in awe. You can change your barrel depending on what you want to use for. So it comes with 2, right? So this other one, this inclined one, it's perfect for the corners or for a small place, for example. Now let's test the wet vacuuming. Remember to replace the filter. That one was dusty because it was just cleaning and showing you. So you just change the filter and you close the box, and ooh, time to see the truth. Is it much water for this vacuum? I'm not sure. So let's start here. Let's see. Whoa. Even for a far distance, it can vacuum the water. It was so quick. Changing the head just to see if it will go better in this flooring. It works well. It cleaned my mess and the water was inside the container. The blower mode we will try with the leaves. So you won't use the part you use for the vacuum, you use the other side. So you turn it on and you place the hole, you see here, on where you want to blow your leaves, and voila! I wish I lived in a house, but I do live in a condo, so we don't have leaves outside. But if you do, you can try and see that it works perfectly. But don't get me wrong, you can plug as well the cord. Don't just put on the other side, opposite on where you put your battery, you turn it on and you blow whatever you want. Look how powerful it is. Poor plants of mine. In my honest opinion, some benefits about having this cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaner is that's very compact. It's versatile. You can use around your house. You can use in your garage, in your outdoor space. For example, if you love doing projects and if you drop some water, you can use the wet mode of it and just get rid of it. It's absolutely amazing the ways that you can use LIGO wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Especially because it's cordless, right? You can take anywhere, you know, this handle here, it's fantastic, it's strong. And the dust you accumulate and things you clean, this is just plastic. It's so easy to clean up. And this, you can wash, right? I only see two disadvantages in this product. The first one is that if you live in a small place, maybe you won't have a space to put it. It's not that big compared to my head, you see, but it's a little bit spacious because it's a box, right? So maybe if you don't have that much space, it can be a problem, but not essentially. And the second problem is if you not remember to use this filter while using the wet mode, it may not work as well as you expect. So you must remember to use this small thing here. In conclusion, this LIGO cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaner is for you that is looking for flexibility, looking for a portable vacuum with added bonus of a blower, and you can share my other reviews on this playlist I will leave here. Thanks for watching. Remember that the link will be in the description below so you can have yours as well, and see you on my next videos. Bye!